Hello students, once again I'm here to teach you something new. So, have you ever seen a shed? Or do you know what a shed is? No? No issues. A shed is a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. For example, it could be a cow shed, a tool shed, a wood shed, or any other thing can be kept there. So let's start our today's poem, The Shed, written by the poet Frank Flynn. He was born in 1906 in Sydney and died in 2000. By profession, he was an Australian doctor, author, and missionary priest. The motive of his poem seems to make learners know about the shed and its significance. The rhythm and richness of language is impressive. The poet talks about a shed in his garden. The horrific looks repel him from entering it. The rusty and dusty windows, broken window panes, spiders' web in every corner, scary stories of presence of ghosts have scared the poet. Yet he promises himself to visit the shed in the coming years. As the poem starts, the poet told us there was a shed near his house. It scared him to tell when he passes by it. The door was covered with hanging spider webs. The door hinges very rusty because it was weather beaten. It created a creaky sound while closing or opening of the door. The poet listened to the sound while lying in the bed. Yet the poet decided to open a door to witness everything by himself. He further described that windows were dusty and window panes were cracked. The poet realized that someone stared at him whenever he passes through the shed. He decided to open the gate one day. His brother tried to scare him away by telling him that a ghost hides in under the rotten floorboards. He would jump off on the head of the poet. Yet the poet did not let his confidence loose. The poet knew that the ghost did not exist in the shed. Rather, his elder brother used the shed as his den. He, the child realized the truth, so he could not be fooled by his brother anymore. He dared to visit the shed one day. He still waited to realize for the right time to come. So, students, the central idea of the poem, The Shed, is rationality and fearlessness. The poem teaches us that we should not believe in baseless and imaginative stories about ghosts and other supernatural creatures, as these stories are mostly used by people for their own benefit. Children and young adults, therefore, should not believe in irrational beings like ghosts and various superstitions associated with them. The poet successfully establishes these ideas through the characters of the narrator and his brother. The narrator's brother fabricates a story about a ghost inhabiting the shed in order to prevent the narrator from entering the shed and to keep the shed all to himself. The narrator starts believing the story and imagines someone is staring at him every time he passes by the shed. However, the narrator does not believe his manipulative story for very long and decides to enter the shed.